In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do high knees on a Bosu ball. Now, firstly, there's two main benefits of this exercise, one of which it's a great low impact form of exercise, which is cardiovascular, so nice on the joints. And secondly, we've got a fantastic exercise here to increase your balance, your proprioception. Maybe if you've had an ankle injury, this is fantastic for ankle rehabs, as well as just generally strengthening up the ankle joint if you're somebody that wants a little bit more balance, a little bit more strength through that ankle joint. Now, first thing before we even start off is I'm going to make sure that both my feet are pointing forwards. I'm also going to make sure when I'm on the Bosu ball there's a slight gap between my 2 feet, and I'm going to try and find the midpoint of my foot. So I'm going to bring both feet onto the Bosu ball, trying to find that midpoint of the foot. You'll notice even now I'm having to try and balance even with 2 feet on the Bosu ball. It becomes even more challenging when we then come up into one knee coming up at a time and we march on the spot. You're going to have to use your core here as well as trying to use your arms to get that midpoint of the foot. The quicker you do it, the harder it's going to be. The slower you do it, the easier it's going to be. And that's because as you do it slowly, the leg that's in contact with the Bosu ball has more time to readjust and try and find that center point of the foot. Now, let's say you're looking at that and thinking, there's no way I can do that. I need something that's a little bit easier. Well, that's no problem at all. So what we can do is we pop the Bosu ball up next to or near to a wall. I come into the same position, but this time I can have one hand on the wall. And what I can do is I can just start off getting that movement nice and slowly with my hand on the wall, and then when I feel ready, I can take my hand off the wall. It's also nice as well because if you do start to lose balance, for example, let's say I'm losing balance, I can always lean on the wall or go and grab the wall for support. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do high knees on a Bosu ball.